Hi, I'm Brian Lincoln, Product Manager for Xerox DocuShare. Today we're going to be looking at some of the cool things that you can do with a mobile device, such as this iPad that you see on the video screen, and the DocuShare content management system. One of the coolest things about mobile devices is that, especially for a company like Xerox that does a lot of capture, is essentially puts a mobile capture device directly in the user's hands. Using the camera, for instance, I've taken a picture of my whiteboard here for a project team meeting, using the camera on my device, and I want to share that with my team meeting. With my team. I can very easily email that to DocuShare using the DocuShare email agent. DocuShare email agent allows you to do a lot of things, mail it to users, groups, collections. I'm going to email it to my personal collection. It's one of the simplest things to do. Let's go ahead and put a title in here, whiteboard, and our date. And let's hit send. Great. Now we'll go over to DocuShare. And we'll see what we got. Now when you access DocuShare on a mobile device, you're really accessing just the standard DocuShare web interface. It's simple, intuitive, web-based design. Makes it look actually quite good on an iPad, and it's quite easy to navigate using your finger and using the touchpad. Go ahead and log in. Bear with me, we do have strong passwords here at DocuShare. They're easy enough to enter, but you do have to enter them. And the first place I go is to my own personal workspace, my DocuShare. Here I have access to all the information that matters to me within the DocuShare repository. Let's go ahead and drill down into my personal collection. And what we can see here, let's go ahead and sort on edited. Go the other way. Voila! There's the whiteboard image that I just emailed myself. We can open that up. It's the entire email address, or the email message. Here's the attachment. I can open that, and there it is. Isn't that great? We can go back. Let's look at some of the other things I can do here. As I mentioned, from my own personal collection here, I have access to all things I need to do in DocuShare. Let's go ahead, or from my own personal workspace, excuse me, let's go ahead and go into my tasks. You see that I can process workflow tasks sent to me. Please approve. Here I've been mailed a document to approve. It's a product availability matrix. Okay, let's see if I agree with the product availability. Sure enough, this looks like exactly what we talked about. So I'm going to go ahead and approve that. You can see that the tiles here in DocuShare, or excuse me, in the iPad, work fantastic for navigating the basic screens of DocuShare. Let's go back in here, and I'll go ahead and approve this. That's great. Okay, so now step one is completion. I've gone and sent that on. Let's go back to DocuShare now. Let's look at some of the other things I can do. Search. I have access to all the search interfaces. We'll show you simple search. We also do advanced search and have an intermediate search, which you'll probably see during the standard DocuShare demo. If I type in my search terms, excuse me. You can see, there I go, whiteboard 517, right at the top, the last document that I entered. I can do other things as well. If I go to my home page, you can see this gives me access to my top level collections, where I can easily browse down just by a simple click and take a look at the content in DocuShare. I'll also have access to workspaces and essentially all the things that I might want to do within DocuShare. And there you have it. That's DocuShare on a mobile device. Thank you very much.